So over here, you can see that I have a table, and let's say what I want to do is by using SQL Query, I want to multiply out the price with the number of lessons that you have right here. So in order to do that, you can click on the Create button, go to Query Design, go to SQL, and then type in the SQL Query. So I'm going to go around and type in Select right here. So once I type in Select, I'm going to press Enter, and then I'm going to type in the field names that I want to multiply out. So in my case, I'm going to go around and multiply out price by lesson. So I'm just going to go around and type in price just like this. And I'm going to add in an asterisk right here and type in lessons just like this. So once I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and say as. So I'm going to type in as right here. And then I'm going to say final price just like this. So I'm just going to go around and rename it out as final price. So once I do that, I'm going to press enter and type in from right here. And then what I'm going to do is type in the table name right here, just like this. So this is going to be from the prices table. So I'm just going to go around over here. I'm going to say from just like this, and I'm going to say prices table right here. So end this off with a semicolon. And once I do that, you can go click on Query Design, hit the Run button. And here you can see that's the result. Here, there's the final price right here with the multiplication of the price and lesson over here. What you can also do is you can use other operators like addition, subtraction, and division as well, according to how you want. So that is how you can use SQL Query to multiply out two columns inside of MS Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.